Good evening, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is truly a delight to welcome you all today as we reveal one of LG's most exciting innovation yet, the LG MoodUP refrigerator right here in the heart of Lagos. At LG, we believe that innovation should not just be functional, it should be inspiring, interactive, and add joy to everyday life.
So we're here for the LG MoodUP refrigerator. Tell me, what mood are you in today?
I'm in the mood to party.
I'm in a hyped or
Fiery and exuberant.
I'm just happy to be here. Everybody looks so good. Everybody's smiling. So yeah, the mood is off.
Today, we are not just launching a refrigerator. We are introducing a new way for Nigerian families to express themselves, celebrate life's moments, and enjoy the best of smart living. Together, let's make every home a home full of color, beauty, freshness, and smart living.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for your life to get even better as LG MoodUP kicks off.
$170,000 color combinations which are inbuilt in this product. It's dark in the kitchen, and we're just walking past by the refrigerator. It senses you, and when it senses you, the bottom light will be on. You can play any favorite music of yours, and the colors will change with the music, with the beats. And also, if you want, you can also select the inbuilt theme colors. There's so many themes. You got season, you got places, you got holiday mode. It's all about your mood.
170,000 colors. That is insane.
I love the fridge. The moment I saw it, I fell in love.
This should be in your living room. It's aesthetically pleasing. You get it?
First time we're having this, not in Nigeria, but in Africa. We believe that with this wonderful product, you guys would welcome a true, outstanding masterpiece from the stable of LG Electronics.
So we are offering everyday lifestyle to the consumers, which make the consumers happier and more delight. That's our inspiration to make the MoodUP refrigerator.